Welcome to Anne Discovery channel. My name is Anna and I live in Hungary, and I adore filming, making different videos and talking about different countries, cultures, food and everything. Actually today we are going to talk with you about different food Hungarian, and don't forget that you are at the Hungarian kitchen, so everything here is very exclusively just for you, so stay tuned, will be very delicious and very interesting. By the way, we have corn at our table, and this is not just for the decoration. Actually, Hungarians love corn very much. The season starts in the middle of the July and lasts till the beginning of August. They simply boil it, but actually add salt already to the water while boiling, and green leaves from the corn itself. Tastes very deliciously. They love eating it, really in summer season when you can feel the real taste of corn, not like tins. Actually, you might recognize on the table a pack of pasta. And it is not just simply because children like playing this, however, this is also the fact. But it's the fact that Hungarians adore pasta, and if you are telling that Italians adore pasta, sorry, no, Hungarians are crazy about pasta. They are eating pasta with everything, with meat, with mushrooms, with shrimps, and a lot of other ingredients. And pasta is served at every official and non-official celebrations. So they cannot simply live without pasta. And I will show you how you can use, for example, this type, it's always upside down, pasta in the very traditional dish which we are going to cook today, and I will show you a little bit of it. It is called húsleves or chicken soup. However, you can translate it directly as the meat soup, but it is cooked from chicken, so I am translating as a chicken soup. But it's not going to be a classical Hungarian recipe because I'm Ukrainian, and Ukrainians cannot leave everything as it is. They should add a piece of something, and this will be a secret ingredients. I will show you what. Stay tuned. So as I promised for you, we are exclusively from the Hungarian kitchen and cooking with you húsleves. Do you see? This is a part of the chicken which already placed in the boiling water. I added onion here as well, and we have a foam which we should gather before we will put the other ingredients. Let's have a look. This is carrot and kohlrabi cabbage, and the secret ingredient, as I promised you, is potato. I mean secret Ukrainian ingredient. See, all the ingredients are already there, diving and swimming. Of course, you have to add salt, pepper, and also one secret ingredient which is mostly added by typical Hungarian people. I will show you what is this. Yes, this is Hungarian pepper. This is sweet pepper, actually can be also very spicy paprika. Paprika, it's Hungarian pepper, but this is exactly a sweet pepper, which is called Édes Anna, as translated directly sweet Anna. By the way, I am also Anna, and you are on the channel Anna Trails. Stay with you. Why this soup is really so simple and so useful for your body? Because it's simply cooked. You are putting at once a piece of chicken. You may put a breast of chicken, leg, and other parts of the chicken. Very traditional Hungarian recipe involves the whole chicken, and I can tell you, when I am visiting grannies or mothers-in-law, they are usually put really a whole part of chicken, which contains almost every body parts, and that's why your soup is very intense and contains a lot of zhir. However, I prefer more light soup. It's really easy to cook, quick, and very tasty and healthy for your body. And due to amount of ingredients, this soup can replace main dish and the second dish. So you may put there are so many ingredients that you won't be hungry ever. And as you know, I will tell you later, Hungarians really like eating big portions, big
fatty and full of ingredients portions. Cuisine is really full of meat and very heavy products. They are actually, this is in their origin, in their mentality, in the cultures. And surely the final note of any Hungarian soup is pasta. We will add it a bit later and I will show you how it will look like.